वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें जनसत्ता.com, बेल आइकन दबाकर पाएं लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस।
Actually, I'm successfully broken current Guinness World Record, most Rubik's Cube solved on underwater category. The previous record was set by Anthony Brooks, 2014 August 1st. Last 6 years, it was a current Guinness World Record. Now, after 6 years, no one broke this record, so I just practiced last 1.5 years for this event. No one till now not attending this record. Around the world, the only 5% of population only solving Rubik's Cube. Across the 5%, the 4,000 people are from our school only. So I want to be a good inspiration and a good mentor for my students also.